Hey everyone, it's Sean here. Hope you had an awesome Labor Day weekend. I wanted to make a quick video here for social media to show you 5 new templates that we just came up with. This one was an idea from Michael at MVD Woodcraft. He said that he's had some requests because it's fall for some acorn shaped boards, but it'd be cool if we had the top cap separate from the bottom so you could actually cut them out of 2 different species of wood, glue them together and have a multi-species board. So that is available now, Acorn Template. Next up, very simple template that we've had a lot of people asking for, but we just kind of overdo things like usual. So it's the whole ultimate circle template set. So you can do pocketing or you can do circle inlays, and it starts with 0.5 inches and goes up to 4.5 inches in 1/4 inch increments. So there's a circle template set there. This is a very cool template. This is the 6 grip handle template. If you are doing grips on your charcuterie boards, either single or double, you can actually make all these different styles of grips with this one template, which is cool because it saves you money. You don't need 6 templates, just one does all the styles. Very neat little object, which you probably don't know what it is if you just look at it at first glance, but it is a hexagon corner handle template. And you've got 3 different sizes, so you line that up with your board. It gives you the profile for the corner and gives you the profile for the hexagon, and you end up with a hexagon that you can grip. The next thing we have is, because it's fall, is a maple leaf template. Hey, what's up? Do you want to say hi? Okay. Oh, whoa! We have a maple leaf template. We do have a maple leaf template already.
What is that?
It's a maple leaf. We have a maple leaf template already, but it's big. This one has the integrated handle, so it's going to be good for cheese boards and stuff like that. You like cheese, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So all these templates.
Why is that a cheese ball?
I don't know. Ask them. All these are available at craftelements.com now. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a good week. Say bye.